Are you worried our food might vanish? The truth is hidden in the dirt. Let's dig deeper. Every day, ancient roots battle toxic invaders, pesticides, drought, and vanishing nutrients. Fields that once fed millions now struggle to survive. But buried in the chaos is hope. Scientists are racing to unlock secrets, restore balance, and save our harvest. Will we act in time, or let our farms turn to dust? The answer lies in the science, waiting just beneath our feet. 6th edition, Global Scientist Day Awards. On 28 to 29 November 2025, nominations are open now. For more details, visit our website, scientistday.org. Thanks for watching.